just want to check in and make sure everybody's feeling comfortable and grounded in their body. I've actually chosen a loving kindness meditation that I like to do at the end of my group sessions or when I'm closing sessions with a client. So is everyone feeling okay with offering that meditation? Wonderful. Okay. So this meditation is adapted from the Parnell book that Lori was referencing earlier, and it's called the Loving Kindness Meditation. I think it's wonderful for the group that we have right now, but also everything that's going on. It's really a nice, welcoming and opening meditation that we can offer to the people around us. So you can tap continuously throughout the meditation if it feels comfortable, beginning as soon as you experience positive feelings, or tap intermittently using short sets. We begin our meditation by sitting quietly and relaxing as you inhale and exhale deeply. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable, otherwise a dull gaze towards the floor. Notice the body and the places of contact. Your bottom on the cushion, your feet on the floor. Notice your breathing in and out, in and out. Feel the breath in your body and let yourself relax into the present moment. Now bring your attention to the area of your heart. Breathing in and out from your heart. Let the breath be gentle and natural. In and out, in and out. Feel your heart becoming soft and warm. Mindfully observe your breath until you are calm and your awareness is focused on the here and now. Now we begin to send loving kindness to ourselves. May I be peaceful. May I be happy. May I be joyful. May I be filled with loving kindness. As you send loving kindness toward yourself and feel your heart becoming soft, warm, open, and receptive. Now think of something outside of yourself that you love. This may be another person or even a pet. And as you think of this being, allow your natural good feelings to arise within. You might imagine your love as a warm, bright light that is glowing in your heart. Now we begin to extend our loving kindness to those outside of ourselves. May you be peaceful. May you be happy. May you be joyful. May you be filled with love. As you do this, you might imagine light radiating from your heart to your loved one. Imagine this warm, luminous energy filling their heart with the feeling of well-being and loving kindness. Now let your love go out to others you care about. You may even imagine them sitting near you. May you be peaceful. May you be happy. May you have ease of being. Imagine the warm, luminous energy radiating from your heart touching those around us and filling their hearts. Continue to send your loving thoughts and energy out to all other people around you. This feeling can be expanded to include your community, your country, the world, and finally, the whole universe. Know that the source of this love is infinite. So as you send it out to others, you are continually replenished. Now we send loving kindness to all sentient beings in the universe. May all beings everywhere be happy, peaceful, and free from suffering. Remember that you can always connect with this feeling. This feeling is your true nature, your warm and loving heart. I'll now ask everyone to take a nice deep breath, exhaling slowly, and when you're ready, bring your attention back to the space.